Does it have speakers on the monitor?
No, unfortunately not.
Okay.
All right.
All right. You already turned on the power supply, right?
Turn on the power supply. Oh.
Yeah, there's an off and on.
That's right. All right. So, actually, I think it is on. The O is on. So, the O is not on.
It's usually a straight line. Yeah. Okay. Wait a minute.
Power supply's not plugged in. That's why.
Oh.
Hold on, turn everything off. Turn everything off. Make sure everything is off.
I'm looking at it like, don't tell me.
All right. Also, normally when you have it plugged in, if everything's plugged in, the motherboard has some sort of light on it.
Yeah. Okay. Yep, it's going. Don't touch it. Now, the lights on the radio will come on once you, and the software will change. Yeah. But everything's looking good because look at the motherboard.
Yeah, the motherboard's thinking.
All right. When it gets to the green, then you'll start seeing the monitor come on.
Oh, well, the monitor's off.
Oh, okay.
The monitor's off, but now it is.
And it should go into the BIOS. See, I know my computers. All right, look at the temperature, 35 degrees.
Yeah, well, it's reading wrong on the cooler. Actually, system temp 26 CPU. Why is it not reading right? Oh, that's a liquid temp.
Yeah. 35C is good.
Yeah, but
At least it's not 50.
Yeah, it's just reading incorrectly though, you know what I mean?
Well, yeah, but you see, once you load the software, and no, that's the water coolant, by the way. That's not the CPU. Okay. That's water coolant.
Okay.
So it's always colder. See? And the system temperature is 27 degrees. But if you put it on the glass...
Yeah, where is the...
yeah, and you got to do the peel, too.
That's going to be Gloriana.
And what I like about this system, you don't have to screw anything in, you just snap them in.
Yes, I like that too.
Yep.
Alright baby, you want to do the honors? There's 3 peels.
No, yeah. Where do I just scratch at it?
We'll find it.
Okay.
There's one. So, I forgot there was one on there, and I was washing, I says, why is this not clean? And then all of a sudden it started getting loose on the top, and oh my goodness. Same thing with the CPU.
Yeah.
You know, I was trying to clean that up. Why is it not cleaning?
You're going to want to look at it from this side once the peel's done. It's much clearer when the peel's gone.
It might be easier to take. No, she got it. She got it.
That's that glass break from just...
Oh, isn't that beautiful?
Yeah.
Oh, and
the
look at that.
lights, too.
Look at the lights. Yeah.
Yeah, I'm looking forward to when I can get to control all of them at the same time. All the lights are working.
Yep.
The lights on top are working.
And the ones on
And the one on the
And
bottom.
ones on the bottom, yeah. And then once they all sync, because if I'm not mistaken, you can change the brightness on them as well. Oh, you know what? Hold on, I didn't think about this. We have all the lights on in the house.
Yeah. I mean, it's looking great.
Yeah, it looks amazing. And then once we get the lights going for like the actual syncing, and again, I'm pretty sure that's like the lowest brightness it can go. I'm pretty sure it can go brighter, but we'll see when I fire everything up and get the software installed.
So you just have to put in the OS and...
I already got it on the flash drive right here. Now I just got to buy a key, which I'll do from your computer.
Oh, 28.
Should be able to load it from the phone.
And that's the water coolant.
Yeah.
All right, so you're gonna have to reboot the computer for it to
Yeah.
recognize the USB.
Yeah, and then and then it's gonna be like F2 or something, right?
Right, I think it's F2 where, I don't know if it's a shift key.
Should be F2 or F12 or delete.
Well, actually, it should boot to the USB drive.
Oh, because it's
Yeah,
recognizing.
yeah,
Here we go.
there we go.
USB flash drive.
Yep, now let it take care.
I know. It's
Yeah.
rebooting to say using USB.
This is the easy process. And then with that 4 terabyte SSD that he has on that stick, it's going to go fast. And you're looking at maybe 10 seconds.
For boot.
The hard part is when it's checking the system out at the begin with, but then you can do a fast boot and it'll skip most of that.
Yeah. Now what I gotta do is figure out how to overclock.
Well, you don't have the Wi-Fi in there, so you can skip that part. They'll ask you for updates. Yeah, you didn't plug in the Wi-Fi, did you?
I didn't. But I know when I do the initial setup, it'll